Well, good morning back in New York City, and we are going to jump on the subway. We're going to Central Park and some other places that we're going to find out here in just a moment. So let's go. All right, now we got to jump on one more train and then we should be in the Central Park. Okay, so we may be on the wrong subway. No, we are on the wrong subway. We'll figure it out though. Maybe.
That white car right there. White wheels.
So we resorted to taking an Uber because the subway is really hard to figure out. Okay, so I may have got us a little bit lost taking the Uber and typed in the wrong address. Now we're somewhere, well, here's where we are. And we're still trying to find Central Park. So sorry. Here you go.
Thank you, Aubrey. I just going in. Thank you, Aubrey.
Thank you. All right, so we're back in Manhattan where we pretty much started about an hour and a half ago. Sometimes we get lost. All right, so we're all starving. So before we do Central Park, we're gonna go find us a little bit of something to eat. Man, that is way up there. Me and Trip ran across, and Sarah and Jackson got left on the other side. Here they come. It's getting kind of festive down here, guys. Thanksgiving ain't here just yet, a couple more days, but then the Christmas holidays shall begin. And we're gonna try the Brooklyn Diner. All right, and for starters, we're trying the famous noodle Krugel. I think it was called Kugel, something like that. Yeah. I don't know.
Hi.
Hot dog, that's
my
me.
God.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Whoa.
That's insanity.
That's a big one. There's gonna be some jokes in the comment section about this one. Well, I did the best I could. It said it was 15 bites. I got through about 9. I guess it's still, yeah, 15 is probably about accurate, but I'm full. Yours was good? Mm-hmm. You had the turkey what?
Club.
Turkey club. Nice. Chicken and waffles. Burgers gone. Good job, fella. Man, that was good. Now we're full. Now we're going to Central Park. All right, and Miss Sarah says this place has the best banana pudding in the world, so we gotta try it.
Per TikTok.
Per TikTok. So we're here, why not try it? It's not bad. What do you think, baby?
It's good.
Better than your mama's? Wait, your mama might watch this.
Not better than
Not
Karen's.
better, not better than Karen's. Definitely not.
Mm-mm.
I second that, Miss Karen. Not better than yours. And over here is Sheep Meadow. And then we're gonna walk up to the Museum of Natural History, check it out. And I think we're gonna jump on one of the little tuk-tuks and let them take us all around the park. And in just 2 days, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade's gonna come down the street, so I guess they're getting kind of set up for that. That's gonna be cool, so you'll have to stay tuned to the channel because we got some restaurant we're gonna go to eat breakfast, and we'll be able to see the parade at the same time, so that's gonna be cool. And we made it to the American Museum of Natural History. What a cool looking building.
Museum of Natural History.
Museum.
Who ordered the U's?
I don't know. Somebody messed up on the U's.
Those are obviously
Not sure if I can film in here. Probably can't. So I'll do it if I can. If not, see you when we get out. So New York tricked us once again, and that was the staff only entrance. So this is the regular folks entrance right here. Oh, cool. Okay, so this place is huge. 4 floors. We're down in the Ocean Life right now, and I guess you could film. I'm gonna do it until they tell me to quit. And just show you guys a little bit of the museum. Wow, so in this room they've got an entire whale replica. How cool. This place is amazing, but it's huge. We'll have like an hour to zip through it, so I'll do the best I can for you. That whale was living. All right, supposedly there's billions of dollars worth of crystals and gems in here. Wow, that's cool. Man, that's crazy. Look at the size of this meteorite. Wow. All right, you need a lot more than an hour to see the Natural History Museum because it's huge, but pretty cool. Now we're gonna go try the subway once again, see if we could get home. Guys, I appreciate you watching, hanging out with us today. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind, and we'll see you on the next adventure.